What is the name of the street? Zero. What is the name of the street? If you live here, then we just neighbor. You're just lying. Okay, that's fine. Look at those guys, the geese. Okay, I just want to say to the Malay for half an hour. Then let's go. Hydrant. I can't do that. They're gonna give me a ticket. They'll give me a ticket for that. I don't wanna pay for ticket. There. Okay. I just wanna take some videos to those geese. Okay, guys. Thank you for coming and thank you for your time. I have to go. My battery is getting low. I'll see you again tonight. I have mega love shout out to everyone. Yeah, I'll do my live streaming tonight again. So I'll see you all there. Please support. Zero, Robbie, you have to come to my live soon, okay? In the evening. I need to go. Gavin, mega love shout out. Thank you for coming. Iris Diary, I'll see you on my live tonight, okay? Thank you, Ceci. Thank you all for coming. Thank you for your time. And thank you for the love. Love, love, love. Bye. Bye, everyone. Ate Munte, thank you po. Lumabas lang ako. Uuwi na ako. I'm going home. I'm really hungry. Mariam, thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for your time. Edsnom, sabi ko, pindutin mo yung dollar. Hindi ko pindot yung dollar. Antayin ko. Pindot na. Pindot na. Ko ha? Naantay ko magpindot ka ng dollar. Anybody wants to press that dollar sign there? Press the dollar sign. I'm waiting. Who wants to press the dollar sign? No, I'm just joking. Okay, how many more minutes? Where are those birds now? Hello, where I come? Where I nom in Norway. Mega love shout out. Thank you. Lucy Warren World. Good afternoon, my dear. Are you in Canada, right? Where are you in Canada? I'm here in Winnipeg. I'm really enjoy the weather. I really enjoy the weather. I'm just using my data, so I need to turn off. Unless I gonna pay. My bills will gonna get high. Highlights tayo. Okay. I'll show you outside for a bit.